Hello everybody, my name is Joe Guasconi. I'm delighted to be able to welcome you to this year's first Bayley Society virtual event. We're thrilled to be able to do it this way because we're able to engage so many more people who, because of distance or travel challenges, might otherwise be able to attend. So let's get started in terms of making the Bayley. You should have received some information via email to help you make this drink. First, we start with some cranberry juice. Then to that, we add some orange juice. And finally, vodka. And if you're not interested in having the alcohol, you can stop right here. But otherwise, you can enjoy this one with me. Now, we shake it. And the best part, pour. A little lime wedge, and enjoy. Thanks for being here.